Hello you guys, hey, it's Melissa Miller here at Miller's Rustic Sawmill in King City, Missouri, and I am joining you live tonight. I'm a brand ambassador for Essential Stencil. I go live here every Tuesday at 7 p.m. I want to welcome you to the stencil page tonight. Okay, let me get my camera figured out so you can see what I'm doing. My first step is that I'm taking my shirt and I'm putting it on my Stencil of the Month Club cardstock, the packaging, and I'm gonna try to basically get this where I want my stencils to go on my shirt, and then that gives me a good surface to work on. So I'm gonna actually use the 4th of July collage. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use that right up here at the top. And then I'm just using white acrylic paint. And we're gonna offload. So we're just gonna go ahead and hold this down. I would not recommend using chalk paint on fabric. A lot of chalk paints will reactivate whenever they get water on them. So you certainly don't want to use a chalk paint on your fabric. I would absolutely say a fabric paint, which you can get fabric paints. At Hobby Lobby or Michael's or Walmart, they all have fabric paints. I am going to dry this a little bit. I think I'm going to add some gold to this and see what happens. I've got some gold paint and I'm going to see what I think and how this looks. So I'm going to also just kind of stipple the Statue of Liberty with some gold. And on this, I'm gonna add, I think, this bright blue. This is actually called 2 Blue. Offload it a little bit. And I think I'm gonna use it on maybe the little firework right here. My little hat right here. I'm gonna see if I can just paint these little stars right in here. Well, I'm gonna try something. This is where we're gonna try something. I'm gonna try adding some little splatters of blue with my stencil brush. I'm gonna get this here and we're just gonna try it and see what happens. So we're gonna splatter this with some blue paint. I have it pretty splatter painted now. My goodness. And I do have some up on my shirt. And that's okay. Okay. Let's dry it just a little bit. Alrighty. Here we go. I can't wait to see it either. It will either be cool or it will not be cool, but I'm hoping for cool. My original plan was to just do gold and white, but once I started going on the red shirt, I thought, what if we may have to do this a little differently? Okay, so I changed gears while we were stenciling. Alrighty, are you guys ready? Here we go. It's gonna look really cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's my messy stencil. Some of my gold paint came up off my star, but that's okay. Okay, guys, this turned out cute. Look at that splatter. How fun is that? That turned out pretty darn cute. Let's hold it up. Okay, hold on. What do you guys think? Isn't that cute? You can see that splatter close up. It looked so heavy on there. and it's just not. See my letters? I'll get them really close. Can you see that? It looked like I overdid it, but it turned out really well. I think that's pretty darn cute. I think I might keep it. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Thanks for being on with me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you next time. Bye.